Imam Abu Hanifa. He was a great Imam and a great ascetic and God-fearing man. He sought God's pleasure by his knowledge. Ibn Mobarak said that Abu Hanifa had a good character, conduct, and observed prayers and fasting too much. Hammad bin Sulaiman said that he was in the habit of praying the whole night, and in another narration, half the night. Once Abu Hanifa was walking in a street when people hinted at him, saying, "This man spends the whole night in prayer." Imam Abu Hanifa said, quote, "I am ashamed before God that I am being described by something which I do not possess." Unquote. Regarding his asceticism, Rabi bin Asim said, "Khalif Yazid sent me once to Imam Abu Hanifa and he wanted to appoint him as the cashier of the state treasury. On his refusal to accept the post, he was given 20 stripes. Now, see how he fled away from a very big post, and as a result he received punishment. Hakim bin Hisham said, "I heard about Imam Abu Hanifa at Syria that he was the most trusted man, for which the Khalifa wanted to appoint him as the treasurer of the state treasury and threatened him with punishment if he did not accept it. He preferred the king's punishment to that of God." Ibn al-Mubarak narrated about Imam Abu Hanifa, quote, "Do you say of that man who has been given the treasures of the world but who fled away from them?" Muhammad bin Shuja narrated, Khalif Abdul Mansur ordered 10,000 dirhams to be given to Imam Abu Hanifa, but he declined the offer. On the day when wealth would have been delivered to him, he covered his body with a cloth after prayers and did not talk to anybody. The man of the Khalif went to him with the dirhams, but Imam Abu Hanifa did not talk to him. One of the people present there said, "This is his habit. Put it in the corner of the room." This was done. Thereafter, Imam Abu Hanifa left death instructions with regard to this wealth and said to his son, "When I die, you finish my burial, take this purse to the Khalifa and tell him, this is your trust which you had deposited with Abu Hanifa." His son said, "I did that as was requested by my father." The Khalif said, "May God have mercy on your father." It is narrated that he was once offered the post of the Chief Justice of the state, but he said, "I am not fit for that post." When he was asked about the reason, he said, "If I have told you the truth, it is good for the post, and if I have told you a lie, I am unfit for the post, as I am a liar." Imam Abu Hanifa's knowledge of things of the hereafter and his concern about the important matters of religion are proved by following narration. Ibn Jurayj said, quote, "I was informed that Imam Abu Hanifa was a great God-fearing man." Sharik said, "Imam Abu Hanifa used to spend long times in silence and meditation and converse little with the people. These actions prove his exoteric knowledge. He who has been given silence and asceticism has been given all knowledge." Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.